Practical nail art toolset. The package includes 10 sheets of false nail tips color chart. Each sheet contains 24 pieces of small display tips, 240 pieces in a total. The abundant quantity is easy for you to use and replace in daily nail artwork and display your colorful nail polishes. Convenient to display. There are also attached 2 sheets of adhesive stickers in the package. You can use the nail polish glue to paint the corresponding color and stick them to the nail polish bottles, and then fix them in order, which is convenient for your guests to choose their favorite nail colors. Safe and durable. Our nail art color display cards are made of quality plastic. They are safe, non-toxic to your nails or skin, not easy to rust or fade, have no peculiar smell. The durable service will provide you with a long-time service, which will help you sort out colorful nail polishes and create your own color display chart. Easy to use or carry. These false nail tips color chart are all arranged in a large sheet and linked by a thin part. When you need to use them, you just need to cut or break the part easily, and they will be cut open in seconds. The lightweight and compact design will easy for you to carry to any place anywhere. Diverse applications. Very suitable for the color display of nail polish or nail decoration items, can be coated with polish, gel, powder, acrylic and so on. Suitable for you to DIY nail design and nail polish practice. They are necessary for learners, nail salons, nail schools, nail artists and personal or just for home use. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. I got these to replace some old swatch rings I had on my bottles and these are so much better. I haven't had any issues with them falling off of the bottles or the cap color showing through and changing the true polish color like others have had. They are the perfect size and I haven't encountered a single bottle that they didn't fit on.